Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using AWS CloudTrail for server authorization audits, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize using AWS CloudTrail for server authorization audits, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudTrail service from the Services menu. Once in CloudTrail, click on Create Trail to set up a new trail. Fill in the required fields, including the name of your trail and the S3 bucket where logs will be stored. Choose whether to apply the trail to all regions or to a single region. Decide if you want to enable log file encryption for added security. Configure SNS notifications if you wish to receive alerts about log file changes. Review the settings and click Create to establish your trail. Next, go to the S3 bucket you configured for your CloudTrail logs. Set the appropriate permissions by editing the bucket policy to allow access to your CloudTrail service. To validate that your trail is working, perform some actions in your AWS account that will generate logs. Return to CloudTrail and access Event History to view the logs of the actions performed. Check the log entries for details about each action, including the time, user, and resources involved. For detailed analysis, download the log files from the S3 bucket and review them using your preferred log analysis tool. Implement necessary security best practices by regularly auditing these logs. Set up automated scripting or monitoring to review logs periodically and ensure compliance. Finally, maintain documentation of your auditing process and any findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.